Hello student, this is the third session for pH. Today we will calculate the pH for weak acids and bases. Now we know that weak acids and bases are those which are partially ionized in solution. Means completely dissociate nahi honge, they will be partially dissociated in solution. So if we take a weak acid HA and it is weak acid, it will partially ionize and it will form H plus and A minus, and there will be a equilibrium between the undissociated acid and the ions formed. Now if we start with C moles per liter of HA, then initially there will be 0 at T is equal to 0. When equilibrium is attained, at T equilibrium, suppose alpha moles have dissociated out of 1 mole. अल्फा इज द डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन. तो डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन का मीनिंग आपको पता है. डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन मीन्स आउट ऑफ 1 मोल हाउ मेनी मोल्स आर डिसोसिएटेड. सो आउट ऑफ 1 मोल इफ अल्फा मोल्स आर डिसोसिएटेड, देन इफ यू आर टेकिंग सी मोल्स में से कितने डिसोसिएटेड होंगे? C1 माइनस अल्फा. H प्लस आयन मोल्स विल बी 1 मोल से बन रहे अल्फा मोल्स, तो C मोल से बनेंगे C अल्फा एंड C अल्फा बिकॉज दे आर इक्वल इन नंबर. So we can write here H plus will be equal to C alpha. Now you have to substitute the value of alpha here. How to find the alpha? Ka will be given to you in the question. Ka will be equal to concentration of H plus, concentration of A minus, products upon reactants. Clear? Now you can write C alpha into C alpha upon C1 minus alpha. It is equal to Ka. Now if alpha is negligible, negligible means if alpha is less than 5%, you can say 5% or 0.005. ठीक है, अगर उससे कम है तो हम नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं अल्फा को. इन दैट केस 1 माइनस अल्फा विल बी इक्वल टू 1 and we can write Ka is equal to C alpha square upon C square alpha square upon C. तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, you will get C alpha square. तो alpha will be equal to under root Ka upon C. So what is the H plus ion concentration from here? Either you will be given concentration and degree of dissociation, you can find out the H plus ion from here. यहाँ से फाइंड हो जाएंगे C into alpha. C is the concentration of weak acid and alpha is the degree of dissociation. In case you are given Ka, then you can also find H plus ion. C alpha, alpha की जगह हम रखेंगे Ka upon C, इसे अंदर लेके जाएंगे, हो जाएगा Ka into C. Clear? So you can write pH is equal to minus log H plus and H plus is equal to minus log Ka into C to the power half. It becomes pH is equal to half minus log Ka is pKa minus log C. माइनस लॉग के ए माइनस लॉग सी और हाफ इधर आ गया, माइनस लॉग के ए इज पी के एंड माइनस लॉग सी. सो दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन. इफ यू आर गिवन द पी के ए वैल्यू डायरेक्टली, यू कैन फाइंड आउट द पी एच यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. ठीक है. इन केस यू आर नॉट गिवन पी के ए, फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड पी के ए फ्रॉम द के ए वैल्यू, दैट इज आयनाइजेशन कांस्टेंट ऑफ एसिड. You will place here and then you will calculate pH. So what is the overall thing? Overall thing is you have to find the H plus ion concentration from here in any way from the data that is given in the question. उसमें alpha concentration दिया हो सकता है, उसमें K and concentration दिया हो सकता है. Using that you will find out the concentration of H plus and then you will solve the question. In case if it is not less than 5%, you cannot neglect alpha here, then you have to solve the quadratic equation. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनाएंगे और उसे सॉल्व करेंगे. क्लियर? वी विल सी बोथ द एग्जाम्पल्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द बेसिस, suppose you have a weak base here BOH. It is a weak base, partially ionized, it forms B plus and OH minus ion. If C is the concentration here, initially they will be 0 at equilibrium. C1 minus alpha, C alpha, C alpha. Clear? Similar way you have to proceed. KB will be equal to C alpha square upon, you can write, if alpha is negligible, you can write, or I'm writing here C square alpha square C1 minus alpha. If alpha is negligible, is less than 5%, 1 minus alpha will be approximately equal to 1, and we can write KB is equal to C alpha square. Alpha becomes अंडर रूट के बी अपॉन सी. ठीक है, यहाँ से अल्फा कैलकुलेट करेंगे, पुट द वैल्यू हियर, यू विल गेट ओ एच कंसेंट्रेशन विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग, सॉरी, पी ओ एच विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग ओ एच माइनस, कंसेंट्रेशन हटा देंगे यहाँ से, पी ओ एच विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग ओ एच माइनस लॉग ओ एच माइनस इज सी इंटू अल्फा. ठीक है, तो सी इंटू अल्फा करेंगे, ये क्या हो जाएगा, के बी इंटू सी टू द पावर हाफ, it becomes half pkb minus log c. So you can see expressions are same in both the cases. See here, we have got this expression for pH in case of weak acids, half pka minus log c. यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, pOH will be half pkb minus log c. ठीक है, both are same, means here we are using kb because it is a base, here we are using ka because it is a acid. If it is not less than 5%, then we have to solve the quadratic equation. Now pH in this case will be equal to 14 minus pOH. This is the additional step for bases. So I hope it is clear. तो pH का formula use करेंगे depending upon the data given in the question. If Ka and C are given, now let us solve these questions. Now acetic acid is a weak acid. This is a weak acid, so we have to calculate the pH of a weak acid here. Ka is given. First we will check what is alpha. So alpha is equal to Ka upon C. So it will come out 10 power minus 5 upon 0.1. So 10 power minus 4. So alpha is much less than 1. So we can neglect it. So we can use pH is equal to half pKa minus log C. Now for this we need the value of pKa. pKa can be calculated as minus log Ka. Minus log Ka is given 10 power minus 5. So minus minus plus 5, 5 log 10, it will be 5. So we can put the value here, half 5 minus log, what is the concentration? 0.1. So 10 power minus 1, it will become half 5 plus 1 minus minus plus 1. So we will get the pH is 3. Now let us solve the similar question. Here we have to calculate the pH of 0.1 molar. Molarity is same, but K value is quite high. It is 10 power minus 2. Here it is 10 power minus 5. So if we calculate alpha, it will be K upon C. So 10 power minus 2 upon 0.1. It will come out 10 power minus 1 ka square root. So that will be quite high value. It will be greater than 5%. So we cannot ignore the value of alpha. So we have to use this formula, K is equal to C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. We will put the value here, means we will solve the question by using quadratic equation. So writing the value 10 power minus 2, concentration is 0.1, alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. Make a quadratic equation here. It will be cancelled, 10 power minus 1. So you can write alpha square minus 10 power minus 1 minus 10 power minus 1 alpha. It will be positive, is equal to 0. Sorry, I have put the signs wrongly. It is alpha square minus 10 power minus 1 alpha minus 0.1 is equal to 0. So here we will use this equation, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we will solve using this formula. Minus b is minus 0.1 plus minus b square 0.1 square minus 4a into c plus 0.4, clear, upon 2 into 1. So we can write here minus 0.1 plus minus, it is 0.01 plus 0.4, 0.41 upon 2. Now we will not take the negative term because alpha cannot be negative. Here we will take the positive term. So it will become the square root of 4.41 is 6.64 minus 0.1 upon 2. So it becomes 0.54 upon 2 is equal to 0.275. This is the value of alpha. So from here we will start now calculating. Now we have got alpha value. Using this alpha value, we will now calculate the pH. So first we will calculate the hydrogen ion concentration will be equal to C alpha. C is given 0.1, alpha is 0.275. So it becomes 2.75 into 10 power minus 2. pH will be equal to minus log H plus. So we can write here minus log 2.75 into 10 power minus 2. So it becomes 2 minus log 2.75. Now let us calculate the value here. 2.75. What is the value of 2.75? We will see the value 27 in 5. 27 in 5. So it is 0.1884. ठीक है, 5 में वैल्यू देखेंगे 27 की 1.1884. So we can take it 188 or we can take it 19 also. So it becomes 1.8. So the value is 4393. Sorry, 4393. It is 0.4393. So we'll take it 0.44 and we will get the answer as 1.56. So this is the pH of this acid. So here we have to find alpha first. If alpha is less than 5%, we can neglect 1 minus alpha in denominator and we can use this formula. But if alpha is higher, it is higher than 5%, we cannot ignore it and we have to solve by the quadratic equation. Clear? Now coming to this question, calculate the pH of 0.001 aniline solution. Here alpha will be equal to Kb upon C and Kb is quite low, 10 power minus 10. That means alpha can be ignored in the denominator. So we will solve by the equation POH is equal to half pKb minus log C. But for this we need the value of pKb. So let us solve pKb value first. pKb is equal to minus log Kb. It is equal to minus log 4.25 into 10 power minus 10. Clear? So it becomes 10 minus log 4.25. Let us check the value of 42 in 5. 42 in 5 is 6284. So 10 minus 0.6284. So we can take 0.63. So it becomes 9.37. This is the value of pKb. So put the value here. POH becomes half 9.37 minus log C. Minus log C is 10 power minus 3. तो ये 3 हो जाएगा तो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी हाफ 9.37 plus 3. So it becomes 12.35 and 12.35 will be equal to 6.185. This will be the answer. So this is the pOH. Now we can calculate pH is equal to 14 minus pOH, that is 6.185. So it becomes approximately 7.82. Clear? So in this way we can solve the for base approximation. If alpha can be neglected, then we will use this formula. If alpha cannot be neglected, then we have to use the quadratic equation. So that's all in this session. I hope you have understood how to calculate the pH of weak acids and bases. That's all. Thank you.